So, time to see what this thing's gonna do. And so this is the saw and the setup. So this is an Alaskan mill, and I have a 62-inch bar on that. And then the saw right now has a 30-inch bar, and it is the steel 661. So that's what I'm doing all the cutting with, and it does pretty good. If you were going to do it every day, I would suggest going up to an 880, but for what I do, this works great. And then just for normal use, it's a lot better than having a huge saw. So there's going to be a lot of curl in this part, a lot of color variation, and then I think I'm getting close to the metal. That's what this is. So hopefully I'll get lucky and cut right through the middle of it and won't hit it. Probably just a nail. Seems to be what they usually are. These are on the side of the road. Yeah, so about 32 inches, maybe a little over in some places, 34. So this will make a heck of a tabletop.